Hello and welcome to Casey's Garage. Today I'm going to be replacing one of my LED headlights that went out, and I figured I'd just make a video and show you how to do that. So the lights that I'm going to be using are by XKGLOW. They're a pretty decent budget LED light. As you can see in there, they have 4 LEDs with a little bubble on top to help with dispersing the light. That works pretty well for me for, like I said, it's a budget light. They were under warranty, so the people that I bought them from sent me a new one for free when this one went out. There's a 2-year warranty on these ones. So in order to do this, what we got to do is take out the headlight assembly, remove the light and the ballast. That's this piece right here. I'm not really sure which one went out, so I'll be replacing both. As you can see, looking inside there, it's a little corroded, so what I'm going to do before I put the new bulb in is clean the connectors. That way this doesn't happen again. Alright, with the connectors clean, we can put in the new bulb. In order to do this, we need to make sure that these lights are facing outwards instead of upwards in order to get a proper beam pattern. Then you just connect the ballast, which, if you look in there, it's got a little key to make sure that you don't do it wrong. Tighten it up well to make sure it's watertight. And plug it in and find a suitable place for your ballast to go, and you're good. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.